Welcome to part 10 of the MongoDB series. In this video we're continuing with the Twitter clone. We're going to create the home page, and we're going to create a header for it. So this should be pretty simple. All we have to do is, and this is the page that the user is redirected to when they log in. So we're going to start a session. We're going to require dbconnect.php. Then we're also going to have that same check. So if a user is there, if a user is in the session variable, actually we want to do if the user is not signed in, then we're going to redirect them back to the login page. Finally, we're going to do something like this. We're going to make a variable called user data. And essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to have this variable that contains all of the data for our user that's currently signed in. So we get that ID from the session variable, put a semicolon, looks like we're good to go. Alright, now the HTML here is pretty simple so far. We're going to do a PHP include header.php. We're going to include this on the other pages that we make in future videos. And this is just going to be some easy HTML. A little div with a span that echoes the username, a link to the home page, a link to your user's profile, with which we will get to, and a user list and a logout file. So this is a little sneak preview at the pages we're going to be making in the next couple videos. So if you log in, okay, so we have a syntax error on line 10, probably missing a parentheses. No, I'm missing a semicolon right here. Let's try it again. Alright, so it says welcome John. This is the user that I created, that I signed in as, and you have all these links, and that is how to start off with the homepage.